Yes, so ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Fantasy Premier League with the Football Republic and with the Republicans. And I did here with Olamide is here. We did together again to bring down everything what happened on top Fantasy Premier League as concerning the Premier League for week 31. Olamide, how your week they go?
I don't feel express my feelings.
First, you be Chelsea fan.
Yes, of course. We chop.
Breakfast is what?
Aside from that, man, despite warnings and despite my captain pick for last week, Salah, do me well. Salah not a problem.
One of the things why I talk last week, now say, aside from Salah, captain somebody else. Good thing say I listen to my own advice first time.
I carry Salah. Even if I had Kane in my team too, but for even Kane have no score.
So you mean the Lord is your shepherd? You shall never want.
Salah really do me bad, man. He really do me bad, yeah.
One of the top performers for me as a concerned that last week game week now Liverpool Diogo Jota. But then people we perform very well that weekend. We get Tim Crew. He get 9 points. Joachim Anderson of Crystal Palace he get 15 points after them beat Arsenal 3-0. Doherty for Spurs get 14 points. Janelle, now the surprise of the weekend with that. 2 goals. 15 points. Diogo Jota did there with 14 points. Gomez did for Liverpool with 10 points. Madison 10 points. Johnny get 9 points. Bowen get 13 points. Sterling get 11 points. And Son Heung-min, my guy, he get 12 points. Alpha, who surprised you for among everybody with the?
Definitely guys with Team Crew. I mean, Norwich is so good education. I don't see anybody get this guy as a first choice keeper, but given that Brighton to the struggle recently, so you know to surprise me. So that rare clean sheet where they get, man, 9 points for Team Crew. I'm on a nice one.
I wish I make that penalty save. This points for plus 6 points now.
Exactly for mad.
Skyrocket. Go far. Those are the standout performance so far for this game week. Man, if you be Arsenal fan, if you be Chelsea fan, if you be Man U fan, sorry, now we'll go to player to watch out for the rest of the season. These are players who get better fixtures. Some they fight tight, some they fight golden boots, and some they fight to keep better clean sheet and defense. Which of these players will get more Salah for there? Undoubtedly, they there. Diogo Jota and one person there, but Luis Diaz don't give and run for it. So and Firmino back to fitness. Don't they be like say? So you mean? That's that guy. They always present. Who did there? We get Gallagher there. Ericsson they inside the conversation. Also Gaeta there. Cancelo, Rudiger, Doherty, Harry Kane, Tony and Ian Acho. I beg you,
why are you trying to be a begging Acho with that, please? Ian Acho na end of season in the turn to Ronaldo. Specialist. Prime Ronaldo na in the turn for end of the season. And again, in pop Man U last week, almost won't get assist.
Almost
get assist. So say once it comes to the end of the season, Ian Acho will speak. So I don't think they will supposed to dismiss them like that. But for running it towards the end of the season, it has to be one of these Tottenham players. I know Tottenham now they don't zero in on top four. Top four they don't zero in on top 4, and they get some kind of features where these two guys, one of them gas pop. Like always, man. The problem that I'm selecting between Son and Harry Kane.
But if you can afford both of them, why not have them?
Oh, they cost so. But if you can afford both of them, yes, of course, you're supposed to have them. Because I mean, they assist each other self. So one way or the other, your points they call.
Another person we did there, they surprising, not surprising, Christian Eriksen. If I say for the last 3 games, he don't get 1 goal and 1 assist.
For international break, the last international break for Netherlands, didn't come off bench score. In first game for Denmark after the whole thing we happened for Euros, and again score against Chelsea. So and Brentford gets some kind nice run way if he pop up score 1 or 2. True. So now one of the person we saw they look for. And a cheap option to 5.5, not bad, which is quality. Supposed to Brentford, but now condition be crayfish bend. You get so.
No, some things that you look at for.
So yeah. So if anything good will come for Brentford, then it will come through this guy for their midfield.
So more look at defenders now. We get Cancelo did there, Rudiger did there. Chelsea they somehow shaky these days, and then Doherty blessing don't count on prime Roberto Carlos. I be prime Cafu. Which one?
You see this Tottenham fullback that they fear them ever since the days of Sergio Aurier. They today they go shine, tomorrow they go off. He gets Emerson Royal too.
But then get good fixtures coming up, so
yeah, probably. I mean, they were outstanding last weekend.
True.
Emerson Royal,
5-1.
We know who sabi play ball, and this guy, they score. They pop up when you're supposed to see them. But yes, now I mean, a good option we supposed to consider too. Doherty.
For a cheap forward, Iheanacho or Ivan Toney?
I would like us to go with Ivan Toney, man. For Ivan Toney, the bulk of scoring, and the guy are also very good, bringing other people into. You get him and Bremo for front. You get him get assist last weekend, even though he no score. But given the run of fixtures that they get, and the fact, say traditionally Leicester, when it comes to end of the season, they always find one way to just collapse, just miss out. Yeah. You get so, and Brentford they fight to stay in the league. So definitely there's more ginger for Brentford. So definitely I would like to go with Ivan Toney.
So you get them there. We don't give you players to watch for the rest of the season. Don't forget to follow us for every week concerned Football Republic with the Republicans. And also, this is not the podcast. No, Fantasy Premier League. Just follow, share all our videos. Now I'm going to go to key players where every manager suppose gets. Mo Salah for 13.3 million. Joao Cancelo for 7.0. And also the man, Harry Kane, 12.5 million. Who you think that the must have? This player is supposed to be almost everybody's team.
Yeah.
But then, because of the price of Harry Kane and Mo Salah, it will make you the doubt. So, do you think now it is compulsory to get these three, or you just shuffle them around?
Definitely, you must have. If you get, I don't think if you get three of them.
If you get three of them for my team. Actually,
if you get three of them, the rest of the team will suffer because it's quite expensive people. But talking about the quality we offer, Liverpool they try topple City now win the league, and I feel say this could be like 2018, 2019 where City go win
last game,
Liverpool go win, City go win, Liverpool go win, and once it continues like that, you sure say Salah will be top scorer for league, could definitely be in conversation for those goals. So, given that, Salah go always pick pan for me. The guy don't prove him times with that number. And now when you doubt him, you go always even the pop. Sure. So exactly. It's a close one between him and Harry Kane. So anyone where you go with, fine, man. But for me, I will go with Salah.
Yeah, Salah not the guy where everybody could go with. Me too, I'll go with Salah, but I still get Harry Kane somewhere locking. And I get Son too. Man, shock you. Make you know how my team they go. I say one team get double game week. Which team get? Okay, no, nobody this week. The upper week 9 double game week day. So who will be your captain pick for this next game week?
Given the fact say Liverpool they play City. So I know see that game go tight more. They go try check each other. So I know if you captain Salah this weekend. And Harry Kane today my team. So I definitely this weekend I'll go with Harry Kane.
Shake it one of those weekends where you go transfer Salah out and bring in maybe a Son Heung-min or something, or Jota. Because with Salah money and this thing, if you get Jota and Son with sprinkle of
I see against City, say Salah self, when it comes to City games, now one of those games where they always step up. They always pop.
The first leg scored two.
He scored two. And so traditionally, man, Salah, the City game may hide in face. So I know saying go definitely show for that match. I never will score since when he come back from international break. Those score yesterday again. International heartbreak. I know still score yesterday again for Champions League. And they took him off early yesterday for Champions League. They preserve him for Sunday. So Gaspara come on that day. So definitely I think now personally supposed keep for your team.
Yeah. So now who you want captain now for this game week?
I definitely captain Harry Kane. Captain Harry Kane. Score last week. He get that. He's been on a good scoring run, but that last week he just stopped. Definitely, I did root time to continue. I did time to continue this weekend.
My captain, in case you want to know, follow the podcast, like us, share everything, because you go see I'm there. I go right now for the comment section, so you go know who I captain. Because the only person my captain remain with, you go sign for the comment section. Follow us, I will follow you back. That's not the show we will get. All of the thanks to you join us.
Thanks
very much. This one, where would they draw the curtain? This now Football Republic with the Republicans, and they tell you about FPL. Now, bye-bye.